scorer among setters in the league. She's already gotten 6 points in this game.
Majority of which from serving.
Yeah.
But you know, in that play, Adamson, Kinlog should have let Makatuno just set it.
Right. Vasquez almost doing a split that time. Oh, Dolar took her eye off the ball. We are tied at 19. Tandarat Lasal had actually scored 3 straight points there. And now we're tied at 19 once again. So again, no team getting any headway here in the second set. Sheila Pineda to serve.
With some numbers here, LaSalle receiving a lot better than Adamson, 17 compared to 9.
Gonzaga again. Dug up by Laborte. Benting tried to change it up. That never crossed.
That's right. Kulang sa power.
Kulang din sa suwerte because she had the right idea. Hit the top of the net. Javelin Gonzaga, great showing so far for this young lady. Soriano, Benting, Gonzaga, Hingpit, Orendain. Dug up by Nene. Makatuno, near the net again. This time naabangan si Hingpit. Oh, wow, that's just power shown there by Paulina Soriano, shaming the teenager.
That's right, Paulina Soriano showing that I have hang time.
Right. Sabi ni Pati Orendain, ayoko muna ulitin yon. 2020. Ang kumurap, pangit. Aplaska on the combination. Dug up there by Benting. Makatuno keeping it alive long enough, but Aplaska punching it across.
Well, LaSalle being more aggressive right now at the net.
As much as they actually have to.
We're talking about Hingpit. She's setting a lot, well, not really a lot better, but in terms of success percentage, is a bit higher than Makatuno.
Oh, where did Soriano come from? LaSalle never saw her coming out. 21 all.
And again, a good rotation. Actually, for both squads right
now. This is the best rotation now for Adamson. Advantage Adamson in this rotation with Soriano, Laborte, and Bautista in front. Maizo, turned back, kept alive by Jansson. Orendain. Makatuno. Goes to nobody. Hingpit had to stretch. Jansson. Orendain. Dug up by Vasquez. Makatuno. Bautista. Back set, Maizo kept alive for how long? Vasquez! What an effort by Vasquez. But State LaSalle will regain the lead.
That's right. Actually, very smart play by LaSalle. They can see that the blockers are scrambling and they just give it to Maizo.
Angela Benting tried to buy time for Vasquez to get to it.
But you can see the whole team was there ready to support.
Right.
Everybody running to assist Vasquez.
Captain Aplaska. Good serve! Wrong read by Vasquez, and she will very seldom make that mistake. Time out, Minerva Dulce Pante.
Yeah, timely ace for Kay Aplaska.
Let's listen in.
Andito si Baby, good, ganun ka. Oh, hinintay mo lang dumrap yung bola. Kapitan nyo ngayon yan, dalawa yan. O, i-receive nyo muna, ha? Maganda ang taong mo may sa harap. Ha? Okay, gamitin mo yan. Yung mga yan. Dahil, kayo naman dalawa sa depensa. Leverage lang tayo. Kasi magsalita kayo. Magtulungan kayo dyan.
Let's take a look at that previous play once again. Look at Kay Aplaska. Where was it going to land? Exacto on the line. I don't know if Vasquez would have been able to get to it anyway.
Well, she was too near. She was too near the net, too far from the back line. You're supposed, as a receiver, you're supposed to, from the back, you're supposed to move in.
Right.
She was already in a position. She has no chance. She wasn't moving at all.
Aplaska doesn't change a bit. Still goes long with her serve. Bautista turned back by Orendain. And Janice Dolar keeping it alive. Gonzaga. Orendain from behind the attack line. Makatuno. Soriano. Boy, is just being returned here. Oh, and here's Maizo. Makatuno. Bautista. Kept alive. Orendain. Oh, wow. Mick Laborte saves the day for Adamson.
Nerves of steel by Pau and Mikmek. Going for that block.
Pineda sits, Kinlog returns. Is there a timeout called? Let's see. Is the substitution allowed? And it is a timeout. Let's listen in to Roger Valenzuela.
Panic. Return ang bola. Take your time. Set mo lang na yun. Nagpanik ka dahil. Kasi sa tubangan.
Sila tatlo, coach.
Pagka mga twice na hanuta pagka-upot ito. Okay, good receiver. Pag Maiso, dinigyapon. Pagkagahan, dinyampon na. Tapos pag may lugar, quick mo, differential sa tunga.
Look at that last play once again. This was a lot of power shown here by Adams. Kita mo si Pau Soriano dadabog na that her shots weren't going in. But Mikmek finally says, ako na muna bahala, Pau.
This is the way we do it.
Right. It must be very frustrating because Paulina Soriano has been doing her best already. Every shot that she tries, it's always been returned.
Well, we got to give credit to the defense of University of St. LaSalle.
But LaSalle's lead is only 1 point. But they are 2 points away from tying this up. Paulina Soriano serving.
Good.
Here's Hingpit. Wrong position, wrong play called by Hingpit actually. Maizo was nowhere near where she sent the ball.
That's right. Not an untimely error there, miscue. But it goes to show that, Maizo hasn't settled in the system of
It
LaSalle.
also goes to show that Maizo is powerless with her right hand. Dolar, cross court. Tied at 23. Bautista turned back. It's still alive. Bautista. Oh, there will be a net violation here against St. LaSalle. Dolar and Maizo. It's Maizo who's called for it.
Right, net violation. Lucky break for Adamson, and we have set point.
Set point again for Adamson, and Roger Valenzuela will call another timeout. 2 straight points for Adamson at the best time. Let's listen into St. LaSalle.
Para nakita si Maiso ang bantayan ng tao to. So masulod si Maiso, na tulog ka sa tunga, i-reopen, or quickan mo, differential sa dulo. Galing ka sana ka, Pirmi.
Dodo na.
How many times have we heard the word relax from Roger Valenzuela?
Well, that's right. He realizes that his players are a bit anxious at this point and nerves setting in. But he's right, tama yung sinabi niya. Ang babantayan nila is Maizo, so they're gonna use Maizo as a decoy.
Soriano just making sure she gets it in. Maizo, turn back, still alive here, and not anymore. So scoring not the last 3, but the last 4 points of the set. Adamson now takes a 2-0 lead. This was a lot closer to the first set. 25-23. Let's take a look at our shaky play. They go to Aiza Maizo on this set, but the defense of Adamson was waiting. Third set when we return.